Hello ladies and gentlemen, this is James Carrillo at Lynch, Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, Ram of Mukwonago. Today we're going to be taking a little dive into the parallel and perpendicular park feature available in the Advanced Safety Tech group on a lot of your new Chrysler, Dodge, Jeep, and Ram vehicles. Today I've chosen a 2019 Ram 1500 Laramie to do this one in, as I wanted to try something a little bit bigger for this. Now, a little rundown on it. Once we activate the feature, it's going to use a sonar sensor located in the front bumper of the truck to locate a space. Once it does that, it's going to give us all of our prompts here in the gauge cluster. And you're going to want to pay attention to this, as you're going to have to handle all of the braking and accelerating through this process. So let's go ahead and start the feature. Hit the button here up on top of the center stack. Once we do that, it's going to show us here on the screen that we're ready to go. Now, if you're going to do perpendicular parking, you go ahead and hit the OK button here. That's going to switch to perpendicular. But for now, we're going to go ahead and move forward to allow the truck to find us a space. Now, once the space has been found, it's going to prompt us to stop, remove our hands from the steering wheel, and now shift it into reverse. Now, as you can see, the steering wheel is going to go ahead and move on its own. We also have the backup camera and the overhead camera to show us our positioning and where we're going. Now again, I'm controlling the braking and accelerating through this process, so you always want to pay attention to your surroundings. Still telling us to move backwards, and now it has told us to stop and shift it into drive. So we're going to go ahead and shift this over to drive. Steering wheel still doing its thing. Moving forward here. And we get the prompt to stop. So that concludes our feature. We are now parked safely in our parking space. I'm going to go ahead and hop out and show you how this did it. It's always going to give you the right distance between the vehicle and the curb. And you always want to check your positioning once the feature has concluded. But again, this is the parallel and perpendicular park feature available in the Advanced Safety Tech group. If you have any questions, please feel free to give us a call here. You can reach me directly at 262-378-3578. Thanks for watching.